Yes, ready for dictation. Start. This paper presents various legal provisions of age for defining the child for the purpose of protections and realizing the rights of the children in India. Stop. A brief account of the position on this point in other countries is given for comparison. Stop. All the information logically leads to conclusion that for all protective purposes the age of the child should be uniformly 18, and for the purposes of protecting the right to life of girl child the provision of marriage age shall also be recommended to be raised up to 21 on par with male person, as young girls in this country require more protective cover or at least equal cover. Stop. The age of consent as per penal law on sexual offences also should be raised from present 16 to 18 so that the protections are expected and cover much more vulnerable groups by making law and liability stricter. Stop. A person including a girl of age group 16 to 18 and securing consent for sexual intercourse which is unreasonable and thus be removed. Stop passage. There shall be criminal liability for such offences in spite of the consent of girl child before attaining 18 years of age. Stop. The age of free education and child labour in India after amending the Article 21, the minimum compulsory age of education is now fixed as 14 years. Stop. Constitution of India Article 21A, right to education. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years in such manner as the state may by law determine. Stop. It is thus just a declaration, not more effective than the directive principle of state policy, which remains as a recommendation. Stop. Another fundamental right dealing with children is Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Stop passage. No child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment. Stop. The legislations such as the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 deal with the employment and working conditions of workers and prescribed the eligible age as 14 for both the boys and the girls will straight away contradict this fundamental right guaranteed under Article 24 and deserves to be declared unconstitutional. Stop. Article 24 read with Article 21A, also read with various judgments of Supreme Court. Stop passage. Over.